Yo, YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now, I did not expect to be doing a video on this item. I did not expect to even be purchasing this item or any other items far as like the pants and sweats go from Revenge after the last thing that happened with them. And just from all the information I've been hearing from other people as far as like the blanks that they used on the jeans and the blanks that they used on those all over track prints. But I want to say today that they really redeemed themselves with these embroidered sweats that I have here today. Yep, here today I'm going to be reviewing the Bred embroidered sweats. These sweats sold out super quickly. I'm actually shocked that I didn't miss out, but I happened to cop my crew neck so fast that I just went and bought the sweats. I was like, if I can't fit them, you know the deal, I'll just resell them. It's whatever. But I actually sized up. I wanted like a more baggier fit. This type of material is way different than those all over track prints. The all over track print pants were like a nylon type of mesh. They were like super thin, probably gonna rip on you real easy. These are super durable. They're super thick. The embroidery Arch logo is just amazing. Arch logo looks great, and I just can't even like explain to you like how excited I am to just like wear these and how happy I am that I got these. These are like going for like almost like $200 now. They were like 88. That was another thing that was shocking to me, that the sweats were so cheap because they were embroidered. I thought that Garrett was for sure gonna try to milk this and make it 148, and I was just expecting that. But props to him on actually doing something good, actually making something priced reasonable, at least in my eyes. But yeah, the pockets on these things are super thick. There's drawstrings inside the sweats, so you can adjust the size or tighten them up or do whatever you have to do. The cuffs on the bottoms are super tight, and I really appreciate that. And just overall, the fit of these are great, and they're really comfortable. They're really amazing, and these are definitely worth the money. They don't look cheap. A lot of people keep saying they look cheap, but they don't look cheap to me. I've seen a lot of comments on Reddit talking about the quality and how it looks, but these are people who don't have these sweatpants in hand. Like, a lot of people who have the sweats in hand know how fire these are, and I'm just like, I'm pretty interested in what's gonna happen next. You know, I'm not super satisfied with everything. I wish we were using old blanks still, but it's like something that I just have to get used to. So these sweats are super comfortable. I can't stop wearing them around the house and everything. I really love them. I probably should have got more pairs. That's how I feel. I wish I would have got the gray pair, because these things are just a great piece overall, and later on down the line, people are gonna like really want these, at least in my opinion. And I wasn't able to get the Bred embroidered hoodie, so I thought that this was pretty much a fair consolation prize. But I got a brand new video coming up on my metallic and black embroidered French terry cotton hoodie that's coming in, and that should be interesting because this is like the first time I bought one of the French terry cotton hoodies from Revenge, so this should be really interesting to see. Now, I'm super excited about everything that's gonna be dropping soon and all the shit that's coming from Revenge, and it's just like, we'll just have to wait and see type of thing. I know they still have some other items that they've been previewing that I'm not sure when they're dropping, like the Vans and stuff like that. Even though I don't plan on copping those, I'm gonna skip on those definitely. They're just not really hitting for me. Those colors are just real off. I don't know what Garrett was thinking, but hey man, it's whatever. I wish there was more colorways of the Vans, but it looks like they're gonna be only doing one colorway, and that should be interesting. But I want to say, like, thanks for everyone checking out the video and everything. Thank you for checking out my channel. If you're looking to go for a pair of these, I would say just go on Grilled or Goat or Depop, any of those reseller places. I would suggest you to just look around and you'll probably find some for a good price. I've been seeing some going for like 170, 160 at the lowest. But I want to say thanks again. Appreciate everyone watching the video, and I'm out.